3 years ago, we spruced up Selah's room when she was so little. Keep watching to see a recap of what we did and see what the plans are coming up. Our house was built in 1920, and when we moved in, this was the only room with wallpaper in decent condition. We did a little updating before moving Selah into the space, and we only spent $30. I'll link the full makeover video so you can get caught up.
This is the other light fixture. It was ugly. It still is ugly. We got this light fixture from my friend Lindsay, who took it out of her house when she moved in because it was really ugly. Because it has these little naked angel babies on them, which is perfect for Selah because she thinks that they're fancy.
We started by updating the light fixture that we got for free from a friend. I love it so much. It's one of those it's so ugly, it's so great items. One of the biggest things we did to brighten up this room was to paint the trim. It was a dirty light yellow color, so we repainted it with Whipped by Claire paint. We also painted the two doors. Rob sprayed the closet door a fun coral color called Pink Sky, and Selah and I hand painted the bedroom door flat iron a warm light gray. Ready? Have a look.
Awesome. Oh, so soft. Just like my shirt.
It's not a shirt, it's a onesie.
Onesie.
All the parts that a roller can't get to,
Uh-huh.
we're gonna do that first.
Can I help?
And we're gonna do all of the rectangles. Yep.
Oh.
There you go. We have to look all the way up. We have to do all those rectangles. Is that a lot?
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. This looks awesome right now.
Rob also sprayed the radiator cover with the same white as the trim.
This is your new mattress.
Looks bumpy. Looks very bumpy. Really squishy.
It is? Or is it the opposite of squishy? What's the opposite
Hard.
of squishy? Yeah. Does it feel hard?
Yeah, it feels
Yeah. Well, let's make it squishy, ready?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Is that all the air?
What's happening to your mattress?
It's blowing up.
It's blowing up.
It looks much more comfier inside. I don't know why. I love it. Very soft and like just like that one, but much more squishier. That's what I love.
Unfortunately, our house suffered some severe water damage. The one thing that passed inspection when we bought the house, the roof failed. We had streams of water coming in on the 3rd floor and then water dripping down around the chimneys down multiple floors. It was not fun. We had a slate roof and got quotes to repair it that came to $20,000 to $30,000 for only a 5 to 10 year fix. So sadly, we decided to replace the slate roof with an asphalt roof for peace of mind and the same price. As you can see, the water damage made its way into Selah's bedroom and ruined the only room with decent wallpaper. We were going to redo Selah's existing room, but we ended up playing musical rooms and rearranged what feels like half the house. We moved Rob's office downstairs and we'll be moving Selah's room next door to this room, the old guest room. This room also suffered water damage, but there's still a lot of potential. We will make this blue room Selah's main bedroom for her bed and desk, and the room off of it, where Rob's office used to be, will become a playroom for all of her toys. These great built-ins. After much debate, we will be tearing them out to make room for Selah's desk. Plus, we have to remove more wallpaper, and the wallpaper runs behind the shelves. There's a lot to do in this room, including removing the popcorn ceiling, updating the electrical and lighting, removing wallpaper, demoing bookshelves, and so much more. Make sure you're subscribed so you can follow along this next room makeover journey. Bye!